Hi, my name is Anne Marie. I've dabbled in real estate investing for the past 25 years, and I wanted to advance and scale my portfolio, so that's why I came today. Coming here for the past 2 days was a great experience. I learned far more than I expected, and it's definitely been worth my time. John has an exceptional personality. He is very enthusiastic, he's very knowledgeable, you're just excited to be here. You can feel the energy. Everybody that comes to these type of events, or I should say most people that come to these types of events, are always expecting a catch or to be sold on something. And of course, although there is opportunities, if you choose to take them, the knowledge that you learn in these 2 days far exceeds the investment. And there's no high pressure sales. It is definitely worth the time and the investment these 2 days. So even though I do have some experience, I'm a licensed real estate agent, and again, I have done some investing for the past 20+ years. I think that what I've gained today and also what I'm going to gain moving forward, because of course I'm going to continue with my education, it's gonna be life-changing. It's really gonna take my business to the next level. The right kind of person that should come out is anybody that wants to learn, scale their business, network with like-minded people, and just be more successit's I would say coming out to this event is an absolute no-brainer. Again, you learn so much in these 2 days. It's just so worth it. I can't stress enough that it is not a waste of your time. It is very valuable, and I'm glad that I showed up. So the vibe in the room is everybody is excited, everybody is energized, you're networking with like-minded people, everybody seems very positive, and that's a really good environment to be in because we all want to do better and we all want to be successful, and it's nice to be in an environment where other people want the same for themselves and are happy for you also.